everyone, my name is Jen Bucci and I run the social media for Home Pro Match. Today I will be talking about why roof maintenance is important. Roof maintenance is important for 3 key reasons. Here's why. Reason number 1, roof maintenance extends your roof's lifespan. There are many minor problems that can happen to your roof because it is exposed to the outside elements. Many times, because these issues go unnoticed, they become worse and shorten your roof's lifespan. When you get roof maintenance, you are giving it a checkup, making sure everything is okay. Reason number 2, roof maintenance saves you money in the long run. You want your roof to last as long as possible. By getting regular roof maintenance, you can fix minor issues early on before they get worse. The bigger the problem, the more money you're going to have to spend in repairs. Reason number 3, roof maintenance reassures protection for you and your home. Since your roof helps shelter you and your loved ones, you want to make sure you're living in a safe environment at all times. An unnoticed issue can quickly become dangerous to you and your family. If you want to keep your roof in the best health possible, make sure to schedule regular roof maintenance. Your local Home Pro Match roofer can help you with all of your roofing needs. Visit homepromatch.com today for more info. Thanks for watching.